Hello everyone. Today I'm going to turn that boring IKEA desk into the desk of the future. How, you might ask? Well, when I was at DreamHack, I ran into a company called Uplift desks. They offer desks that can be in the sitting and standing position. But what is pretty cool about Uplift is they also offer just the frame, so you don't actually have to buy a complete desk, which could save you some coin. So what we're going to do today is retrofit this desk so it can become a sit-stand desk. But of course, what we're going to need to do is pull everything off, put everything back on, rewire manage everything. So we'll see how it goes, and you'll see a nice time-lapse footage of that. So let's go. So while the time-lapse is going, I thought I would share some things regarding Uplift Desk. In a previous life, I installed Steelcase office furniture. For those who don't know, Steelcase is a really expensive brand, but you do get solid products with great warranties. What surprised me is that Uplift Desk seems to beat Steelcase in every way that matters most to consumers. I compared buying a 60-inch by 30-inch height adjustable desk, one by Steelcase and one by Uplift Desk. Both are complete desks with the tops included, motorized frame, memory keypad, etc. First off, the price. You can buy an Uplift desk for a little over $600 with free shipping to your doorstep. Steelcase, on the other hand, is over $1,600 from what I found, and you can't seem to buy it online, and you'd have to work with a dealer. And in my experience, that sounds about right for Steelcase. Next is the frame. Uplift Desk's frame is expandable, which is a huge plus in my opinion. This means that you can get a different top anywhere from 43 inches wide to a huge 96-inch wide desk. Steelcase's height adjustable desks have fixed frames, so depending on the frame size, you may have to get a new crossbar or buy an entirely new desk. And regarding Uplift Desk's frame, it felt just as high quality to Steelcase's in my opinion. Now we move on to the warranty. Knowing about Steelcase, this is where I thought they would shine, but looking at their warranties, I was surprised. Steelcase has a 5-year warranty for the motor and electrical. Sounds pretty good. But shockingly enough, Uplift Desk has a 7-year warranty for the motor and electrical. Plus, for an additional $150, you can extend that to a whopping 12-year warranty. So there you have it. Uplift Desk beats Steelcase in price, flexibility, and even warranty. I just thought I would share that with you guys. Alright, so as you can see, it took forever, but all the cables are pulled, all the monitors are pulled, everything's pulled. It's maybe it's better to see that way. It's ready to go. So now I'm going to start bringing in the Uplift desk parts, and then we can, start setting it up for the sit-stand portion. So good luck to me. So there's been one thing so far that's been quite annoying I wanted to mention. This happened only a few days after the build was complete. The double stick tape for the wire managers, I'll throw some pictures up so you can see them. I could understand some of them falling due to being overloaded like I did for some of them, but the one on the right holding the extra wires from the controller, I did it exactly like Uplift Desk does in one of their instructional videos. I even removed the double stick tape on it that was included and replaced it with industrial 3M tape, and it still fell a day or two after. But the tape stayed on the desk, so maybe it's the type of plastic it's trying to stick to on the wire manager. I'm not too sure. The silver lining here is that there's a hole in the middle of the wire manager pad, like the double stick section, so I'm probably just going to pop some screws into the desktop, use some new 3M tape, and then hopefully it'll hold for good. But even with that nuisance, it's still an awesome product and I'm happy with the purchase. I even called customer service a week later after delivery to add something that was discounted when you built your desk online. Without hesitation, they gave me a discounted rate with free shipping. And that's the kind of customer service I think we should, really be happy with and should be shared. So all around, they seem like a good company, but I just wanted to share that one nuisance that I was dealing with. So let's continue. Well, looking at the time, that is going to be it for this evening. Tomorrow I'll finish up the wire management underneath and then build the desk back up. So see you tomorrow. Hello, you've made it to day 2, and today I'm going to head over to the hardware store to get a hole saw. So drill in the back of this to run my wires through so it'll look nice and pretty and fancy. So you don't have to worry about all that because it'll be edited for you. So this will look just like so, and then also it'll be like boom, just like that. Seamless, amazing. Let's get to it. right, looks like I'm about done. Just a few more little tidying up of the cables, but yeah, it's a big difference. All right, everybody, it is done. It was a process, but the retrofitting of the Ikea desk to an Uplift frame is complete. So let's take a look here. And as you can see, got the controller over here. Yes, looking great. I do need to get a couple extra cables, longer cables for here and a shorter cable for here. But other than that, it is good to go. I really like it. It's pretty sweet and nice, high quality. I can dig it, and I'll show you what's on the underside here. Motor's not too loud. So underneath we have, well, for me, I have a voice over IP server, cloud storage, just a terabyte hard drive, nothing special. No NAS actually, so pretty basic. And then a USB port 3.0, plugs for the monitors and router. Oh no, not the router, some other things, speakers and whatnot. So that's underneath. Pretty simple. I mean, it's an in-depth build, but it's pretty simple and straightforward build. I think anybody can actually do this without any kind of experience. And just come over here, press what I set for the sitting position. There you go. Then in the back, this was the hole I showed you earlier. So that worked out perfect. I was able to run all the cables right through here. A lot cleaner coming out. I mean, you see cables, but there's no way to get around that, of course. And then the wire management kit on this side and right over there on that side. So yeah, all in all, pretty darn sweet. Have it go back up one more time. Yeah, I mean, I'm loving it. I think it's great. I think it's going to be wonderful rather than having to sit all day. We can stand, sit, do whatever you need to do. But thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Until next time.